Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Rangdale, Department of Chemistry. This is my college. Today's topic is antimicrobial properties of terpolymer resin derived from adipamide with formaldehyde. Here, polymer are one of the most important substance is a large molecule composed of repeating structural units typically connected by covalent chemical bond. Terpolymer have played an important role from the beginning of life, and here synthesis of CAF terpolymers. Here resin was prepared by condensing cresol 0.1 mole and adipamide with formaldehyde in the presence of 2 molar HCl as a catalyst at 130 degrees Celsius in an oil bath for 5 hours with occasional shaking to ensure through mixing. The solid resinous product obtained was removed immediately from the flask. It was washed with cold water, dried and powdered. The powdered was repeatedly washed with hot water to remove unreacted monomers. Then it was extracted with diethyl ether to remove excess of paracresol, formaldehyde copolymer which might be present along with copolymer resin. The purified terpolymer resin was finely ground and kept in a vacuum over silica gel. The yield of the terpolymer was found to be 85%. Here, various techniques are used for characterization. The copolymer resin were subjected to elemental analysis for carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Here, electronic adsorption spectra of the copolymers in DMSO were recorded. Here, infrared spectra of CAF terpolymer were recorded and one proton NMR spectra also recorded. Here, method cell wall and membrane are the significant defensive obstacle to bacterial resistance in the environment. The bacterial cell wall perform a significant role in keeping the natural form of the bacteria. Cell membrane elements generate distinct adsorption mechanism for terpolymer and gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Lipopolysaccharides are the distinctive components of the gram-negative bacteria cell wall and offer highly loaded region and attract terpolymers. Teichoic acid, a compound present in the wall of gram-7 positive bacteria, on the other hand reflected only in the cell wall of gram-positive bacteria, so that terpolymer is spread along the molecular chain of phosphate stopping aggregation. Many studies have shown that terpolymer is more active against gram-positive bacteria rather than the gram-negative bacteria because the gram-negative bacterial cell wall consists of lipopolysaccharides, lipoproteins and phospholipids. Here, antimicrobial screenings, biological assay depends upon the comparison of the inhibition of growth of microorganism by measuring the concentration of the sample to be examined with the known concentration of standard antibiotic. For the antimicrobial analysis, the in vitro disk diffusion method has been employed. In this study, the ligand and their chelates were tested for their effect on certain human pathogenic bacteria such as gram-positive. The nutrient agar medium was boiled and sterilized by autoclave at 7 kg pressure for 20 minutes for study of antibacterial activity, and 20 ml media was poured into the sterilized petri plates and kept at room temperature for a few minutes and allowed to solidify in plates. It was then incubated for 12 hours and inoculated with microorganisms using sterile swabs. All of these manipulations were carried out with almost care under aseptic conditions. The test solution prepared by dissolving the compound in DMSO was filled with the media using a micropipette and incubated at 36 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. During the course of time, the test solution diffused and the growth of the inoculated microorganisms such as Staphylococcus aureus, Escherichia coli Asparagus nigus and Candida albicans were found to be affected. The activity developed on the plate was measured by measuring the diameter of the inhibited zone in millimeters. The drug ciprofloxacin was used as the standard for bacteria and nystatin for fungi. The microbial screening result of CAF copolymer ligands show higher activity is due to the donor atom of the ligand and the pi electrons delocalized. This effect increases the lipophilic character, which favors the permeation through the lipoid layer of the bacterial and fungal membranes. The higher activity may also be due to the presence of OH and aromatic ring. It is perceived that the factors such as solubility, conductivity, dipole moment, and cell permeability mechanism may be alternative reasons for the increased activity of the metal complexes. The ligand has good inhibition against the growth of gram-negative bacteria, which induces tumor. Hence, the copolymer ligand may possesses anti-tumor activity. The gram-positive bacteria are both pathogenic and invasive. The terpolymer has good inhibition characteristics against the growth of this pathogen, and the Candida albicans can penetrate into the intestinal walls and causes diseases. From the finding, the growth of Candida albicans is inhibited by the addition of the CAF terpolymer resin. And here conclusion is that copolymer resins, that is prepared by condensation, and also the antimicrobial studies shown that the terpolymer were capable bacterial agents. Thanks. Also thanks to organizer for giving me an opportunity for presentation. Thanks.